Today we are going to draw and color island which starts from the letter I. So the materials we need are an eraser, a pencil, a black sketch pen and some colors. So let's start. First we will draw a line like this and one more beside it. Above that we will draw two circles or ovals. Then we will draw this kind of shape at every direction. This, which we have drawn, is a coconut tree. Because coconut trees are common on islands. Then we will draw small grass under it. Then, from a little above, we will make a curved line like this from both the sides and a curved line at the bottom. And now we will outline. We will outline the surface. Now, we will color this. For this surface, we will take dark yellow, and for the color to not go out with the color, we will outline this like this, and after that we will color inside, so the color will not go outside. And now we can color inside. This we have colored dark yellow because sand is found on the surface of islands and sand is also of this color. For the grass, I will take light green color. for the stem, we will take dark brown color. Coconut tree is very flexible. So, in high winds, it never falls. Now, for the coconuts, we will take a little light brown color. Coconut tree produces coconut water. Coconut tree produces coconut water, which is inside the coconuts. Also, coconut is used to make oil. You must have seen coconut oils. And now our island is ready. An island is a piece of land which is surrounded by water. Thanks for watching.